Are you looking for the perfect coffee maker? Keurig makes some of the best coffee makers. They have a wide range of different models, so whatever your budget is, there's one that will suit you. Here are the top 5 best Keurig coffee makers available today. Before we start our video, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell icon for regular updates on our channel. By the way, links to all of the products are included in the description box below. So let's get started. Coming at number 5. Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker. Get more from your coffee, including a richer taste, when you brew a perfect cup of joe using the Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker. Brew 6 to 10 cups in a single serving and enjoy the convenience of a programmable, single-serve brew. It's easy to take care of as well, thanks to the removable water reservoir, easy-to-clean filter, and auto-off setting. Plus, with its sleek design and simple button controls, this coffee maker is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Number 4 on our list is Keurig K Supreme Coffee Maker. This coffee maker offers you the convenience of an automatic coffee maker without the upfront cost or hassle of owning a home coffee machine. You can also customize your brewed coffee, from a simple cup of coffee to a flavored latte macchiato or espresso, with the simple press of a button. For added convenience, the coffee maker offers a back-to-back brewing feature. Simply brew a second cup of coffee using the same machine, and no need to wait for the first cup to finish brewing. Plus, with its fast brewing, it is a great way to prepare your favorite beverages at home. Coming at number 3. Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. The K Elite Coffee Maker brews delicious coffee fast and lets you customize it to suit your preference. The sleek black finish and clear digital display make this model ideal for serving in the kitchen or dining area. You can set the timer for convenient, on-demand brews, and the auto shutoff ensures your coffee stays hot for a longer period of time. This Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker brews the largest cup sizes available from K-Cup, keeping you satisfied with the most popular cup size. Number 2 on our list is Keurig K Duo Special Edition Coffee Maker. The Special Edition Coffee Maker brews a cup or carafe of rich, aromatic coffee with ease. The dual brewing systems of this Keurig machine allow you to brew a single-serving cup of coffee or a full carafe, depending on your preference. With the single-serve brewer, simply place a single cup of ground coffee into the included carafe, push the button and enjoy a fresh, hot cup of coffee. It features a 60 ounces large water reservoir that can hold enough water to brew up to 6 cups of coffee, keeping you from constantly refilling the machine during your busy day. You can also brew up to 2 carafes of coffee and keep them both ready for whenever you need a cup of coffee. Finally, the number 1. Keurig K155 Office Pro Coffee Maker. The Keurig K155 is made to provide premium convenience and performance. With a sleek, stylish design, it will look great in any space and with any decor. It makes coffee the way you like it with a wide range of hot and cold brew sizes and customizable options. It brews 4 different sizes of coffee at once. And it will keep brewing and storing leftovers for later. The Keurig K155 also includes a 90-ounce removable water reservoir for easy refills and an automatic shutoff that turns off after 30 minutes of inactivity. That's it for today, guys. These are the top 5 best Keurig coffee makers for you. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.